Say fifth problem, if modulus of z plus 4 less than or equal to 3, then maximum value of modulus of z plus 1. So by using this, we have to find the maximum value of this one. So this can be expressed as z plus 4 plus minus 3. Because this is in the form of modulus of z1 plus z2 formula, less than or equal to modulus of first one plus modulus of second one. Modulus of first one plus modulus of minus 3. But given that again this is less than or equal to 3 plus 3, 6. Therefore, maximum value of that one is 6. Next problem. Minimum value of modulus of z minus 1 plus 2i plus modulus of 4i minus 3 minus z is. So we know the formula, modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. Already I had explained two problems based on this one. Data of finding sum of these two, they can ask what is maximum value of this one, or data of finding this one implies what is minimum value of mod z1 plus mod z2. So this is in the form of mod z1 plus mod z2. So from this formula, mod z1 plus mod z2 is greater than or equal to modulus of z1 plus z2, means sum of these two. Clearly sum of these two, plus z minus z cancel, minus 1 minus 3, minus 4, 2i plus 4i, plus 6i. So modulus of a plus ib formula, root of a square plus b square. So 16 plus 36. Therefore, this is greater than or equal to root 52, means minimum value of this one is root 52. Seventh one, if mod z1 equal to 4, mod z2 equal to 15, then difference between greatest and the least values of modulus of z1 plus z2. It is a type problem. Required is difference between the maximum and minimum values of this one. For finding maximum value, we have to use formula modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. So clearly 4 plus 15 is 90. For finding minimum value related inequality, modulus of z1 minus z2 is greater than or equal to modulus of mod z1 minus mod z2. So we have to create minus between z1 and z2. So this can be expressed as z1 minus of minus z2. Now this is in the form of modulus of z1 minus z2. From this formula, this is greater than or equal to modulus of first one minus modulus of second one. So they are clear. Mod z1 is 4. Modulus of minus z2 is the same as mod z2. 15. 4 minus 15. Modulus of minus 11. So this is greater than or equal to 11 means that is minimum value. This is less than or equal to 19 means that is maximum value. Required is difference between maximum value and minimum value. So that is 8. It is a type problem. See, 8th one, if modulus of z plus 2i less than or equal to 1 and z1 equal to 6 minus 3i, then maximum value of Iz plus z1 minus 4. So by using these two, we can find maximum value of this one. See, first Iz plus z1 is 6 minus 3i minus 4 equal to Iz 6 minus 4 2 minus 3i. ఇప్పుడు ఇది యూజ్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ రైట్ z plus here there is z but here Iz, so first write I into that one. Now balance the equation. Iz, okay, there is 2i square means minus 2, but there is plus 2, so plus 4, thus minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2 and minus 3i as this. Now this is in the form of modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus of first one plus modulus of second. This is complex number. Modulus of z1 into z2 is mod z1 into mod z2. Mod z1 is again 1. Modulus of I, root of 0 square plus 1 square, 1. Modulus of that one is given, that is less than or equal to 1. Mod I value 1. Modulus of this one less than or equal to 1. And clear modulus of that one is 5. So this is less than or equal to 6 means maximum value of that one is 6. Ninth one, say ABC are vertices of triangle ABC and mod z1 equal to mod z2 equal to mod z3. See, A of z1, B of z2, C of z3 are the vertices of an equilateral triangle, and also given that mod z1 equal to mod z2 equal to mod z3. Geometrically, mod z1 means distance from origin to z1, distance from origin to z2, distance from origin to z3. So vertices of the triangle are equidistant from origin means that point is clearly circumcenter. So indirectly circumcenter of the triangle is origin. And also given that modulus of z1 plus z2 equal to modulus of z1 minus z2. Then angle C is required. So this is required. Yesterday, one of the properties of geometrical representation of modulus of z1 plus z2 equal to modulus of z1 minus z2. See the yesterday's notes. Modulus of z1 plus z2 equal to modulus of z1 minus z2. Then the line segment joining z1 comma z2 subtends right angle at origin. The line segment joining these 2 points subtends right angle at origin. Therefore, from this one clearly that one is 90 degrees. If that is 90 degrees, then clearly this one is 45 degrees. So answer 45 degrees or I by 4 radians. Right. So problems related to geometrical representation of z1 plus z2, z1 minus z2, etc. was completed. Next concept, square root of a complex number. Square root of complex number. See, that is a complex number a plus ib. Root of a plus ib formula plus or minus real part is root of mod z plus a by 2. Imaginary part is root of mod z minus a by 2. So there exist two square square roots of any complex number a plus ib. Formula for square root of complex number. Front plus or minus common, plus case minus case. If imaginary part is positive, then here plus sign. If imaginary part is negative, then here minus sign. That means similarly, root of a minus b equal to plus or minus of this minus I into remaining part is same. See the proof of this one. Let root of a plus ib equal to x plus I. By squaring on both sides, a plus ib equal to x square. Iy whole square is minus 1 plus I into 2xy. By equating real and imaginary parts on both sides, x square minus y square equal to a, 2xy equal to b. From these two we can find x square plus y square, a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. So by substitute these two values, a square, 4x square y square is the square of this one plus b square. Therefore, x square plus y square equal to root of a square plus b square means mod z. And we have x square minus y square. By adding these two, 2x square is mod z plus a, x square is mod z plus a by 2. By subtract, this one minus that one is 2y square equal to mod z minus a, y equal to root of mod z minus a by 2. Thus, this is real part, this is imaginary part. So, problems based on this one, directly they can ask, just a complex number given, what is the square root of the complex number? See the example. Find root of 5 plus 12i. A is 5, B is 12. Middle sign positive. Therefore, answer plus or minus root of mod z is root of a square plus b square is 13. 13 plus a is real part plus 5 by 2. Here plus sign. So here also plus sign. I root of same 13 minus 5 by 2. Next, find the square root of find the square root of complex number 7 minus 24i. So plus or minus mod z root of a square plus b square is 25 plus a is real part 7 by 2. Here middle sign minus, therefore minus I into root of 20 minus 7 by 2. So direct problems. Find the square root of the complex number. So this is about square root of the complex number. Next concept, important concept, cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. All of you know about this. See, unity means 1. Cube root of unity means 1 power 1 by 3. Let 1 power 1 by 3 equal to x. So, means we have to find the values of x. By cubing on both sides, 1 equal to x cube. That one implies x cube minus 1 equal to 0. Factors of that one, x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Implies x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Roots of this one by using formula minus 3 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Root of minus 3. Root of minus 1 is I by 2. So in this topic, minus 1. In this topic, minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is denoted by omega. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 is denoted by omega square. So by heart, the value of omega is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. The value of omega square is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Now, properties of cube roots of unity. All of you know 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Clearly, sum of these two is minus 1. Minus 1 is plus 1, 0. And omega cube equal to 1. Omega cube means omega square into omega. See, product of these two is always 1. That is, omega power 1 is omega. Omega square is omega square. Omega cube is 1. Omega power 4 is omega. Omega power 5 is omega square. Omega power 6 is again 1. See, possible values of omega power n for any positive integral value of n is 3. Omega omega square 1. Omega omega square 1. Next, omega omega square 1. So there is just only number of positive values is 3. Therefore, period of omega is 3. So working rule of finding omega power n. Divide n with 3. Possible remainders are 0, 1, 2. If remainder is 0, omega power n is omega power 0, 1. Remainder is 1, omega. Remainder is 2, omega square. So that means omega power 3n value always 1. Omega power 3n plus 1 is always omega. Omega power 3n plus 2 is always omega square. See, sum of these three values 0. Sum of next to three values 0. Sum of next to three values 0. Sum of next to three values 0. So that one means omega power n plus omega power n plus 1 plus omega power n plus 2 is always 0. n plus 1, n plus 2 are three consecutive numbers. For any positive integral values of n, sum of these three values is always 0. Suppose the value of omega power 2020. The value of omega power 2020. Working rule. We have to divide this power value with 3. Divisible by 3 condition. Sum of the numbers is divisible by 3, then the total number is also divisible by 3. So clearly 2 plus 2, 4. When we divide 4 with 3, remainder is 1. Therefore, its value is omega. The value of omega power 100023000600009 value. So sum of the digits 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 9, 15 plus 9, 24 divisible by 3. Therefore, that's answer 1 because remainder 0. So by heart this one 1 plus omega square 0, omega cube value 1. Working rule of finding omega power n and the values of omega and omega square. Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Let's see geometrical meaning of cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity are vertices of an equilateral triangle. See, first cube roots of unity are 1 omega omega square. 1 means 1 comma 0. Omega means minus 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. Omega square is minus 1 by 2 comma minus root 3 by 2. Check the distances. All distances are equal. Each side is root 3. This is also root 3. This is also root 3. So, cube roots of unity are vertices of equilateral triangle and also lie on the circle with the center 0, 0 and radius 1. Check. Distance from origin to each point is 1. So this is about geometrical. Vertices of equilateral triangle of side root 3 and area root 3 by 4 into root 3 whole square and lie on the circle having center origin and radius 1. See the problems based on cube roots of unity. See, first one, the value of 1 minus omega square There are so many problems like this. Say clear. 1 minus omega square. Omega power 4 is omega. Omega power 5 is omega square. Omega power 7 is omega. That's 8. Omega power 8 is omega square and so on. So product of first pair is the same as next pair is the same as next pair and so on. So this is equal to 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square whole cube. Product of these two, 1 into 1, 1 minus omega square plus omega cube. So 1 plus omega square value 0. From this minus omega square value 1. 1 minus omega square value 1. Omega cube value 1. Therefore 1 plus 1, 3 cube value 27. See next problem. The value of 225 plus 3 omega plus 8 omega square whole square plus 3 omega square plus 8 omega whole square. 225 plus, see, square of this one. Here 9 omega square plus 9 omega power 4. Okay, omega power 4 value omega. Therefore 9 times of omega square plus omega is minus 1. Omega plus omega square is minus 1. Same. 64 omega power 4, 64 omega square. 64 into omega power 4 means omega plus omega square value minus 1. Plus 2 term. 2 into 3, 6 into 8, 48 omega cube, 48. Same 48 omega cube. Therefore 2 into 48. Now by simplifying get required. So just by using two results, 1 plus omega square 0 and the value of omega cube is 1. Next fourth one. If x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, then the value of x plus 1 by x whole square plus x square plus 1 by x square whole square plus x cube plus 1 by x cube whole square and so on. X power 27 plus 1 by x power 27 whole square. So number of terms can increase. So clearly roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 are omega square. Cube roots of unity means the roots of this one are 1 omega square. Factors of this one x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So of these three roots, one is the root of this one. Omega square are the roots of x square plus x plus 1. So by heart, roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 are omega square. So we can replace x with omega or omega square. For any value, get same answer. So put x equal to omega. Now this is omega plus 1. See, 1 by omega cube value 1. From this, omega into omega square equal to 1. From this, 1 by omega equal to omega square and 1 by omega square equal to omega. Remember, 1 by I equal to minus I, 1 by minus I equal to I. Similarly, 1 by omega equal to omega square, 1 by omega square equal to omega. So here 1 by omega is omega square. X square is omega square. So 1 by omega square is omega. Omega square plus 1 by omega square is omega whole square. Omega cube value 1. 1 by omega cube is also 1 whole square. So first three values. Next three values. First three values are same as to next three values. are equal to sum of next to three values. Is equal to sum of next to three values. Is equal to sum of next to three values. So number of terms x power 1 to x power 27 means number of terms is 27. Therefore number of triplets is 9. Therefore required is 9 into sum of first three values. So omega plus omega square minus 1. Minus 1 whole square 1. Say plus 1. 1 plus omega 1 2 square is 4. Thus 6 into 9 54 answer. Remember roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 are omega square, and also roots of x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0 are minus omega square. Because if this is f of x, this is f of minus x. Roots of f of x equal to 0 are alpha comma beta. Roots of f of minus x equal to 0 are minus alpha comma minus beta. Fifth one, roots of x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. So clear. This is cubic polynomial. So number of roots is 3. First x minus 1 whole cube equal to minus 8 is minus 2 whole cube. Therefore x minus 1 equal to minus 2. This is only real number. But cubic polynomial means number of roots of that one is 3. So this minus 2 whole cube can be expressed as minus 2 whole cube and minus 2 omega whole cube and minus 2 omega squared whole cube. Now by equating x minus 1 equal to minus 2 omega squared. Therefore x equal to 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega squared. Real roots is only 1, but total number of roots is 3. Of them, 1 is real, remaining 2 are imaginary. Next problem. If n is not a multiple of 3, then the value of sin of omega power n plus omega power 2n into pi minus pi by 4. n is not multiple of 3 means n is not equal to 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Answer independent of n. So we can replace any value in the place of n that is not multiple of 3. I am assuming n equal to 1. So sin of omega plus omega square minus 1 minus pi by 4. Therefore minus sin pi by 4. Pi by 4 1 3 5. So third quadrant negative. Therefore minus of minus 1 by root 3. Next. Seventh one. If z plus 1 by z equal to minus 1, then the value of z power 50 plus 1 by z power 50. Okay. So clearly this one implies get quadratic invariable z, that is z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. In the form of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So z equal to omega or omega square. We can take in the place of z either omega or omega square. Therefore required omega power 50 plus 1 by omega power 50. Omega 50 working rule. Divide 50 with 3, remainder 2 omega square. 1 by omega square is omega. Omega square plus omega is minus 1. Next, 8th one, cos of 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square plus 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square and so on. 10 minus omega into omega square times of pi by 9. So number of terms can increase or decrease, and trigonometric function can change, and angle pi by 9 can change. So cos of, so there are 9 terms, 10 terms. So this can be expressed as sigma r equal to 1 to 10 r minus omega into r minus omega square of pi by 9 equal to cos of sigma r into r square minus r omega square minus r omega. By taking minus r common, omega plus omega square value minus 1 plus r. Minus omega into minus omega square, omega cube value 1 into pi by 9 equal to cos of sigma r square, r equal to 1 to 10, sigma n square, sigma r square formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So 10 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 is 21. 10 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma r formula n into n plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on 10 times is 10 equal to pi by 9. So by simplifying, this is equal to 450. 450 into pi by 9. 9 ones to 9 50s. So cos 55. 55 is even multiple of pi. So that one is angle along the positive direction of x-axis. Cos 0. Cos 55 is nothing but cos 0. That's value 1. Next, ninth problem. Minimum value of modulus of a plus b omega plus c omega square or modulus of a plus b omega square plus c omega. Okay, both are same because this is conjugate of this one. See, the value of omega is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Omega square is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. If z is a plus ib, then z bar is a minus ib. Therefore, omega and omega square are conjugate to each other. Plus minus minus plus. So omega bar equal to conjugate of omega is omega square. Conjugate of omega square is omega. Therefore, clearly conjugate of this one is this one. This is real number. Conjugate of A is A. B is real number. Conjugate of omega is omega square. Conjugate of omega square is omega. This is previous problem, important. So they can ask first one or second one. Actual previous problem, sum of the values. What is minimum? What is maximum value of sum of these two? Sorry, minimum value. Maximum value cannot be defined up to infinity. Minimum value exists. See, first I am finding square of this one. A plus b omega plus c omega square whole square. So formula mod z square equal to z into z bar. Therefore, modulus of a plus b omega plus c omega square. Sorry, no modulus. Mod z square is z into z bar. A plus b omega plus c omega square. Again, conjugate of this one is a plus b omega square plus c omega. Now, product of these two, a into a square, b omega into b omega square, b omega cube value 1 C omega square into C omega. C omega cube value 1. Next, C. AB omega square plus AB omega. By taking AB common, get omega square plus omega is minus 1. Similarly, minus BC, minus AC. This can be expressed as 1 by 2 into A minus 3 whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. Check, both are same. Now, here conditions of ABC. ABC are distinct positive integers. Not positive integers. ABC are different integers. So by trial and error, from trial and error, for A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. Its value is 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus 3 whole square, 3 minus 1 whole square. 6 by 2 is 3. You can check this one. For any different integral values of ABC, the value 6 gaani 6 కంటే ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. 6 కంటే తక్కువ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. బట్ నంబర్స్ మార్చుకోవచ్చు. మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చి వేరే సెట్ ఆఫ్ నంబర్స్ కి 6 రావచ్చు. బట్ 6 కంటే తక్కువ అయితే రాదు. చెక్ చేస్తాం కావాలి. సో స్టాండర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం. Here ABC conditions, all ABC are distinct integers. They too are possible. So square of required value is 3. Therefore required value is root 3. So this is also root 3. So previous problem, sum of these two. So root 3 plus root 3 to root 3. See 10th one. If Zn is defined as 1 plus I root 3 whole power n and root 3 into imaginary part of Z5 into Z4 bar equal to lambda, then step off lambda by 100 equal integer type problem. So see, Zn is defined as 1 plus I root 3 whole power n. See the value of 1 plus I root 3. Omega square value minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay. Therefore, from this 1 plus I root 3 is minus 2 omega square. So indirectly, the value of Zn is defined as minus 2 omega square whole power n. Now I am finding lambda by using this definition. Lambda equal to root 3 into imaginary part of first Z5 means n equal to 5. When n is 5, minus 2 whole power 5 minus 32 omega square whole power 5. Omega power 10 is omega. Next Z4 minus 2 omega square whole power 4. Minus 2 whole power 4 is 16. Omega square whole power 4. Omega power 8 is omega square. This is just Z4. Therefore, conjugate of this one is omega. Equal to root 3 into imaginary part of minus 32 into 16. Minus 2 power 5, 2 power 4, 2 power 9. Omega and omega square value minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Now imaginary part of this number is minus 2 power 9 into minus root 3 by 2. So 2 1 time cancel, minus minus cancel. Therefore 2 power 8 into root 3 into this root 3 equal to 2 power 8 into 3. This is the value of lambda. 2 power 8 value 256 into 3. Required is lambda by 100. Step of this one. 256 into 3 value 700 point somewhere, 700 something. Therefore, by 100, 7 point some value. Step off 7 point some value 7. So answer 7. Next, 11th one, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0, then the value of alpha minus 1 by beta minus 1 plus beta minus 1 by gamma minus 1 plus gamma minus 1 by alpha minus 1. Options in terms of omega. So given that alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this one. See, equation contain x cube minus 3x square plus 3x. చూడండి చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో a minus b whole cube terms a plus b whole cube terms కనిపిస్తాయి మనకి. ఆ టర్మ్స్ కనిపించినాయి అంటే దట్ వన్ రిలేటెడ్ టు a plus b whole cube ఫార్ములా ఆర్ a minus b whole cube ఫార్ములా. See, x cube minus 3 1 into x square plus 3x into 1 square. So these are terms of x minus 1 whole cube. I am finding roots of that one. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to minus 7 minus 1. So I am adding minus 1 on both sides. So clearly this is x minus 1 whole cube equal to minus 8 minus 2 whole cube. Therefore x minus 1 equal to real root is minus 2. Remaining two roots omega into omega square. Thus alpha, beta, gamma the roots of x. Roots of that one means these are values of x. So x is also alpha minus 1 is minus 2. Beta minus 1 is minus 2 omega. Gamma minus 1 is minus 2 omega square. Therefore required alpha minus 1 by beta minus 1 means first one by second one is 1 by omega. Second one by third one is also 1 by omega. Third one by first one. Third one by first one is omega square. So this is nothing but omega square plus omega square. Therefore answer 3 omega square. So these are problems related to the concept cube roots of unity was completed. Next concept, nth roots of the complex number. Next concept, nth roots of the complex number. General case. So by using this concept, we can find nth roots of any complex number. Cube roots of any complex number, fourth roots of any complex number, fifth roots of any complex number, etc. General case. See the working rule of finding nth roots of complex number. IP లో ఓన్లీ రెగ్యులర్ మెథడ్ చేస్తాము, ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ లో ఆ ఫార్ములా బై హార్ట్ చేసి అప్లై చేస్తాం. See రెగ్యులర్ మెథడ్. Suppose complex number a plus ib. Complex number a plus ib. Nth roots of complex number means power 1 by n values. So number of values is n because nth roots of complex number. Working rule, first to write the polar form of that number. Polar form of the number formula r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Polar form of the complex number r into cos theta plus I sin theta. R formula for r root of s square plus b square. Theta is argument of z. Formula tan inverse of b by a. Thus first write the polar form of the complex number. This is equal to r power 1 by n into cos theta can be expressed as cos of 2k pi plus theta plus I sin of 2k pi plus theta whole power 1 by n. K belongs to z. For any integral values of x, these are equal. Now apply the De Moivre's theorem. That one already completed. Last week I told cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. This is called De Moivre's theorem. Okay. So from this formula, this can be expressed as r power 1 by n into cos of 2k pi plus theta into 1 by n means by n plus I into sin of 2k pi plus theta by n, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1, because 0 to n minus 1 number of values is n. Number of nth roots of any complex number is n. Of them some are real, some are imaginary, etc. Nth roots of any complex number is number of nth roots of any complex number is n. So k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1 with the n values suggested. But here k belongs to z, infinite number of values. But here k equal to 0 to n minus 1 n values. What about remaining values? For those for next two values, all these values are repeated. Means k equal to n case is the same as k equal to 0 case. K equal to n plus 1 case is the same as k equal to 1 case. Come on, check this one. When k is 0, this is cos theta by n plus I sin theta by n. K place lo n తీసుకుంటే cos 2n pi plus theta by n equal to cos of 2 pi plus theta by n. Cos of 2 pi plus alpha is cos alpha. So this is equal to cos theta by n. And so on. So what about next infinite number of values means for any integral values of n, all these values are repeated. K equal to n, k equal to 0 case are same, n plus 1, 1 case are same, n plus 2, 2 case are same, and so on. And this is denoted by cis theta. Last week we had discussed it. In this topic, cos theta plus I sin theta is denoted by cis theta, CIS theta. Therefore, this is equal to r power 1 by n into cis of 2k pi plus theta by n. Okay. So this is formula for nth roots of the complex number a plus ib. Formula for r, root of a square plus b square. Theta is argument of a plus ib. So all of you know how to find argument of the complex number. Depends on the signs of the values of a and b. First quadrant theta, second quadrant pi minus theta, third quadrant minus of pi minus theta, fourth quadrant minus theta. Theta formula, tan inverse of modulus of imaginary part by real part. So IB lo complex number ichi find fourth roots of complex number, find fifth roots of complex number ante idi ela chesamo ala cheskunta ravali. Objective lo find fourth roots of complex number, find fifth roots of complex number ante direct ga formula apply chesukochu. R power 1 by n into cis 2k pi plus theta by n, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on n minus 1. Suppose we need fourth roots of unity, k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose we need 10th roots of unity, k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on 9. Geometrical meaning of nth roots of unity. Geometrical meaning of nth roots of unity. They are lie on the circle. Nth roots of unity formula r power 1 by n into cos of 2k pi plus theta by n plus I sin of 2k plus theta by n. For k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1. Clearly all these points lie on the circle having center origin and radius r power 1 by n. See, distance from r for any integral value of k, distance from origin to all those numbers are r power 1 by n. Modulus of this one, modulus of cos plus I sin root of cos square plus sin square 1, that is equal to r power 1 by n. So, see geometrical meaning of nth roots of complex number. First of all, they are vertices of polygon of n sides, inscribed in this circle having center, origin and radius is r power 1 by n. So this is geometrical meaning of nth roots of complex number. See the problems related to that one. Just two problems. Find the values of root 3 plus I whole power 1 by 4. So formula r power 1 by n into cis 2k pi plus theta by n, nth roots of complex number. So r value root of a square plus b square 2 power 1 by 4 cis 2k pi plus theta. Theta is argument of this one. Argument of this one is tan inverse of 1 by root 3 30 degrees pi by 6 by n. N, the value of n is 4. Where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So fourth roots means there are 4 values. So number of values is 4. One more problem. Solve the equation x power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. So find the solutions of this one. First we have to factorize. First we can take x power 7 common from first two terms. X power 7 into x power 4 minus 1 plus x power 4 minus 1. Again, by taking x power 4 minus 1 common, get x power 7 plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, from this x equal to 1 power 1 by 4. From this x equal to 1 power 1 by 4. From this x equal to minus 1 whole power 1 by 7. Now from the above ones, from this formula, r value modulus of 1 is 1 cis 2k pi plus theta. Theta is argument of 1. Argument of 1 is clearly 0 because that one lies on positive x axis. 0 by n means 4. Now k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. So cis 2k pi by 4. That is nothing but cis k pi by 2. Same. R value 1. Modulus of this one is 1 cis 2k pi plus theta. Argument of minus 1. That one minus 1 means minus 1 comma 0. That one lies on negative x axis. Argument of that one is 5. So 2k pi plus theta by 7. K equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are problems related to nth roots of complex number. First completed.